Hi everybody, my name is Pierozzi, and today I'm going to demonstrate a pitcher, okay? So just a couple things about a pitcher is that it's going to start with that tall cylinder, right? So if you want to make pitchers like those that are over there, you're going to need a really substantial cylinder to start off with, okay? So we're going to do everything we've done before, and I'm going to show you a couple of things that makes the particular pitcher that I'm making a little bit different than just a little bit different than throwing of a cylinder, okay? And I'll explain what that means here just in a second. But I'm going to go ahead and do my wheel wedging. All right, we're going to go up and we're going to go down. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and start it like this. This is how I like. I know if I want to make a tall pitcher, that's a pretty good shape to start with, okay? So we're gonna do what we've been talking about. I'm gonna go ahead and make my opening, all right? And make sure you leave enough clay on the bottom for a bottom, right? Pitchers don't work out very well when they don't have a bottom. And then we're just gonna go ahead and just make that push. Now once I get up here, I like to go ahead and compress that top, right? Get a little bit of a compression, just simply pushing that. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and get it again. And we're just gonna keep going up. All right, now a couple things. The top half of this, I like to leave this part a little bit thicker. Because once I make the throat and the lip, I want there to be a little bit of meat so I can make it a little bit fatter. Does that make sense? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna just keep working our way up. We're gonna do it again.
Is this crackling?
Yeah, I think the clay's a little bit short.
Oh, it's the clay that's crackling.
Yeah.
Oh.
What is it short of?
I thought it was the wheel.
I'm not sure. It's a good question.
What would it be short of?
Just. Wait, hold on one second.
I think we're talking sound, right?
Yeah.
All right. Could be the. No, it's pretty typical.
Okay. Oh, maybe it's just the grinding of the
Yeah.
What was the
All right, so
What was
so
the weight?
like 3 pounds. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and blow it out and create sort of a vase shape. All right, and we're going to follow the same things we've been doing before. Take my inside hand, and then we're just going to slowly.
That's your fingertips.
Yep. I'm going to do this again. Okay. And I want to think about those universal forms again. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of tuck that triangle on the bottom. How does that look so far? That looks like a pretty decent pitcher shape, right? And then I may take this tool. Now here's what I like to do right now. I can make a little line, a little indent here to sort of accentuate that shape. Okay. And I'm going to soften it a little bit with a sponge. Looks cool. Thanks. Okay. probably a pretty nice shape, don't you guys think? Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna drain all the liquid that I've been dumping inside here. All right, so with my sponge on the stick. Now I can clean up the shape a little bit, right? If I want, I can add a little of the ribs to sort of soften, to kind of get those shapes nice and tight. But I kind of like the ring marks today, for whatever reason. It changes from day to day. All right, so here's how we're gonna do this. I like to get my hands, make sure all the gobbledygook stuff is off. All right, everybody watching? One type of pitcher. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna fold this like this, okay? You see how I did that? So we kind of got this shape, it's nice and flat. The next thing I'm gonna do is take my hand and I'm gonna simply pinch this. Okay? I'm gonna kind of go back and forth. Now I want a nice narrow neck right here. All right? And I want this nice and sharp like that, because that's gonna allow for water to really flow really well. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come over here so you guys can see. I'm gonna take my inside hand, I'm gonna go like this. All right? So
Can you
looks
show one
weird
more
right
time?
now,
I
like
missed
this.
your- Okay, yes, okay.
I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna come down to this throat. Everybody see this? And I'm just gonna go like this, and I bring this up. All right.
You did it at the apex, right?
Yep. Now let's see it. All right. There's your picture.
Don't put a handle on too.
Beautiful.
I'll put the handle on later, okay? Once it's leather hard, I'll go ahead and I'll pull that handle. Does that make sense?
Yes.
That's one way we can make a picture, okay?
Excellent.